So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in reset this PC. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on reset PC. And now this will come up. By the way, before we continue, I recommend backing up all your important files to an external drive. So now we have two options. We could either keep my files, which is going to remove apps and settings but keeps your personal files, or you can remove everything, which will remove all your personal files, apps and settings. No matter which one you go with, I still recommend backing up all your important data to an external drive. For this tutorial, I'm just going to go with keep my files. Wait for this to load, and we should now be seeing cloud download and local reinstall. For me, I'm just going to go with a local reinstall, which is going to reinstall Windows from this device. So this is going to work without an internet connection. So I'm going to click on this, and now I'm going to click on next. Wait for this to load, and then once this comes up, it's going to be saying ready to reset this PC. It's going to be saying resetting will do all of this. You can read all of this, and there might also be some notes down here that you can read as well. If you're fine with all of this, then you're going to click on reset. It's now going to reset your Dell Inspiron laptop back to factory settings.